A former IRS contractor has been sentenced to 5 years in prison for unauthorized disclosure of thousands of tax returns, including Donald Trump's tax returns. Charles Littlejohn abused his position as counsel at the Internal Revenue Service by disclosing the federal tax returns and other private financial information of thousands of Americans to news organizations. He violated his responsibility to protect the sensitive information entrusted to him and is now a convicted felon, said Acting Assistant Attorney General Nicole M. Argentieri of the Justice Department's Criminal Division. Argentieri says the fine sends a strong message that those who violate laws aimed at protecting sensitive tax information will face serious penalties. Littlejohn was first charged on Sept. 29, 2023, with unauthorized disclosure of tax return information. Generally, being charged with information means that the defendant pleads guilty and waives his right to indictment. This seems to be the case here as well. From 2017 to 2021, Littlejohn worked as a government contractor for an unnamed consulting firm serving public and private clients. According to court documents, as part of his job, he worked on contracts the firm obtained through the IRS. The returns and refund information were disclosed to Littlejohn for tax administration purposes. From 2018-2020, Littlejohn stole tax returns refund information related an individual referred in court documents as public official A. According prosecutors, Littlejohn viewed public official A as dangerous and a threat democracy intended provide the public with exclusive tax information. Public official A's name was not initially included in court documents, but it was widely assumed to be former President Donald Trump. Littlejohn's sentencing memorandum confirmed this to be true. Littlejohn disclosed tax information regarding public official A to a media outlet initially identified in the documents as News Organization 1. In September 2020, News Organization 1 published a series of articles regarding public official A's tax returns. Judging by the timing and nature of the news, it appeared to be the New York Times. In the sentencing memorandum, Littlejohn's lawyers stated that he decided go to the Times if Trump decided release his tax data. The memorandum also confirmed that Littlejohn had numerous conversations between May 2019 and August 2019, including personal meetings with New York Times reporters about how to handle his security and report if Trump disclosed his tax records. In August 2019, Littlejohn turned over a copy of Trump's tax information he had stolen from the IRS database. The next year, he also helped the New York Times analyze tax data and stole more records. Court documents also reveal that Littlejohn turned over 15+ years of extradition and extradition information covering thousands of the nation's wealthiest people to News Organization 2. He provided the data by sending it to News Orga.